Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zin Ivy B. Welcome, welcome. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year to your family, friends, and everyone. Happy New Year. Yes, a new video that I will share to you. Actually, I hope you will like this because this bag is I can consider it's not a luxury bag. It's an affordable bag that I will consider. Maybe you will like it, and you will think that, oh, it's an affordable bag. And yeah, but before that, bag of the week. This is my Tory Burch touch slash crossbody bag, handbag. It's a kind of big bag, but I will use her today because I'm gonna go out with the family. So this is my bag of the week, which is, you can carry a lot of things, guys. I'm carrying a lot of items all the time, so I'm using her as my bag of the week this time. Yes, so like I'm saying, this bag is an affordable bag. You might be interested in. I will put down the link below. This is not sponsored. This is, I bought it by my own money. But if you like something not super, it's a simple bag yet classy. Okay, I cannot consider her as luxury because it is not expensive bag. It's an affordable bag, and I will tell you later. So I saw this in Facebook page. I saw some YouTube blogger that they're doing this, that they've been unboxing it. I think they received their boxes, but for me, I bought it in my own money. Okay. So this is the Sinbono by New York. So I find it super pretty bag, kind of like simple, that you can go on any occasion. For me, as what I saw it, for me, I think it is a cute bag. So this is Sinbono bag. Her name is Vienna top handle bag. So I'll show it to you. I saw it. I did not use it. I unboxed it just to see it, but this is really the official one that I'm showing you the bag right now. This is a small bag, guys. So it goes with a dust bag also. So this is the dust bag. Actually, it's really nice. The packaging, it's nice. Even the dust bag, it's nice as well. So this is my super duper. It's a small bag, but I think it's smaller than that because but it is a cute bag, guys. Look how she is. This is my Sinbono bag. They call it Vienna bag. It has a strap on it, so you can see there's a strap where you can put the strap and a handbag at the same time. So she is small, but I will show you later what fits on the bag because I was amazed with the capacity that you can put inside. So this is it. So this is Sinbono. So I have a thank you note. This is a Sinbono bag. Thank you for choosing Sinbono vegan bag. So it's a vegan bag. At Sinbono, we believe the fashion should not cost the earth. We hope you enjoyed your cruelty-free and ethical shopping experience. A big thank you for being part of our eco-friendly life. So it's a vegan bag. It's made of vegan. I think as what I heard, it is made of plastic, and then they created it like this. But I'm not sure. We have to really check what is the product itself. Okay. Okay, all Sinbono products are made by eco-friendly and cruelty-free materials. Here are some tips for you to help your items to how to take care of this. So this is like a patent leather. It's not a leather, I'm saying, but it's like a patent one, like smooth, shiny, small bag, guys. So it's a smooth, shiny. So this is their tag, Sinbono. And like I'm saying, she's definitely cute. What I like about her is, like, if you're going to a party, you don't want to carry a big bag, but you can put a lot of things. I think this size is beautiful. They have a bigger one of Vienna. I think this is the medium. This is small, but it's more bigger than this one. But you can put more than that. You can put a lot of items inside. And this is the small version, or I could consider micro. I saw that Louis Vuitton and other luxury brands, they already come up with this kind of style as well. But why don't you go to a cheaper one that you think it's a good one and affordable one? So this is how it looks like. Like I'm saying, guys, it's a patent, this pattern. It's really shiny and smooth. depends on how you take care of your bag. It can easily scratch because since it's a smooth version. But they also come out with a new, like for winter pattern also. But I found this super cute. I think I'm gonna check also the blue color of this one in a bigger version, because like I'm saying, I really love her. This is removable. It's like magnetic snap. So if you want to open it, you can open it like that, and it opens 2-zipper gold hardware. Okay, and this is what it looks like inside. So I'll just remove. I have the gold chain, so it goes with the gold chain, and this is what it looks like inside. Guys, I'm telling you, it's a big bag that you can put a lot of things inside. So there's one pocket in here. This is made up, inside is fabric lining, suede kind of fabric, but kind of suede style. So it's really an open area, and one pocket in here. Okay, this is what it looks like. When I bought this, there was a promotional, so it goes with a pre card holder. So I got this pre. So this is an Chevrolet pattern. Okay, so this is a card holder. So you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, 7 cards that you can put inside, that you can use directly to the bags. This is what nice about it. It goes with this because it has a promotion. So I got a pre-packet card holder, sorry, from Sinbono. Thank you, Sinbono, for this, for adding this, because it's really nice because it will go directly to the bag itself. Okay, so you can put on the pocket over there. So this is my iPhone 13 Pro. So if I put it in the bag, so I'll go directly also. So it fits on the bag. It fits on the bag, guys. For example, I want to put something else. For example, my pochette accessoire. I think it fits. Yes, guys. Look, it fits there. You can see, you can put a little one pouch in it. Plus, if I want to add my wallet, so this is my wallet. This is my compact wallet, men's wallet. So I'll put it there also, and it fits. Guys, look, I told you, you just need a small pouch. This small pouch with my pochette accessoire, everything is there. My lipstick, all the things that I need. I can just put my reading glasses on the side because I have my reading glasses. If you want to carry, you can put on the top of the bag. So this is it goes. Okay, go. So your wallet, your small pouch, and your phone fits there, and you just have to snap close. Okay, so it fits inside. Let's just close it first. Like I'm saying, guys, this is good for party. Look how small she is, but can carry a lot of things, the important things that you have to carry all the time. So it fits my 13 Pro iPhone, my compact wallet, and my pochette accessoire Louis Vuitton pouch. Okay, so it fits everything there. Like I'm saying, party bag. This is really nice also, and it goes like this. And this is a chain that goes with it. It has no other strap except this chain one. So this is in gold hardware. This is how it goes. So let's just remove it. So this is the chain. This is in gold hardware. It is not adjustable strap, but I think it's okay. So it goes like this. Okay, so there's a Sinbono name on it, written on the chain. So just let's just put it in the bag. Okay, so I'll put the other one also here. And there we goes. So okay, in front, guys, there's a Sinbono name here. The name of the bag, it's in here. Not big, so it's not super. It's a hit stamp there, but not big. So this is the bag. So I'll just move a little longer. So this is how it looks like on me. I'm 5'3" in height, guys. So it's just a nap on my body frame. If you want to do a shoulder bag, it goes here, or crossbody bag, it goes like this. So guys, like I'm saying, this is really nice for party, because she's so classy with the chain and the small handle. Really a good bag, so you can see it on it. And I love how it goes. See, super small. Okay, if I want to compare it with my other bag, I will come out. If I want to show you how to compare, I'll show you one of my tote boards before. This is my tote board Stea. So same, I think same height, like that. Okay, only the style is different, the design of the bag is different, but they're really the same. Okay, but the price is different. Since there's a name on it, there's a tote board on it, so the pricing is different, and the Sinbono bag is different as well. How much is a Sinbono bag? I was surprised also with what I paid. I thought it would be like around $150 to $200. No, for this size of bag, it was $82. Guys, $82 including the tax. I was surprised also. Including the tax, the shipping was free for this one since I was on the promotion. Plus I get the card holder as free as well. So this is $82, guys. So it means the bigger version of this, a medium one, maybe around $150, $120, depends on the promotions right now. But this is $82 with these super cute bags, and I will put all the different colors. You will see there's so many colors that you like. Like I'm saying, I saw the blue one, but light blue. I took the black, so it goes with any clothes that you're gonna wear, any occasions. I think it's good. It will go anywhere. But any colors, there's so many colors that you can choose on. But like I'm saying, this is the black goes everywhere, anywhere, any type of clothes you're wearing. The black is good for this one. For $82, you have a super cute and a classy bag. Not expensive. But this is my Sinbono bag, guys. I really love it, and I'm happy that I took it. And like I'm saying, if you don't want a chain, you can remove the chain, or else you can take it with a chain as well. If you're tired of doing it by hand, you can carry it by crossbody bag. So this is it. I hope you got an idea with the Sinbono bag. Maybe next time, if I'm able to get the medium size, I will compare the two bags. But I really recommend you this guys, because it's so small and it fits the important things that you need to carry every day. I mean, she's not a heavy bag. She's a vegan, guys. Super soft bag, not heavy bag. The only would be heavy will be the snap here. But the totality of bag, no, it's not heavy since it's really soft as well. So hope you got an idea with this bag, and if you like it, go to the link, check if they have promotions, plus the promotions, the pre-delivery, free shipping, plus the card holder. Yeah, like I'm saying. So this is the bag that maybe you can also use your chain bag to other type of bags that you have. But look, it goes pretty nice and pretty cute. Super easy to carry bag. So that's it, guys. So hope you like, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it, and get an idea of you got an idea of this super small, affordable vegan bag. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year. Signing up, Zin Ivy B. Bye, guys.